Hello guys, welcome to Manwar Education. So this video is all about National Law Institute University Bhopal, that is NLIU Bhopal. So in this video I will talk some glimpses of NLIU Bhopal, that is National Law Institute University Bhopal. After that I will talk about campus tour, selection process and courses which offer NLIU Bhopal, and I will also talk about placements and salary package. So let us start guys. So first is about National Law Institute University Bhopal. So as you see in this picture, this is National Law Institute University Bhopal. So National Law Institute University Bhopal NLIU was established by Rashtriya Vidhi Sanstha Vishwavidyalay Adhiniyam, and it was established in 1997. NLIU is recognized by University Grant Commission and Bar Council of India. This is UGC, which is a higher education governing body which give recognition to start the institute. Now next is campus tour. So they have well developed infrastructure, very well developed seminar hall, classrooms, library, and with huge number of books and facilities, computer labs they have, and the campus area is also very big. So these are the things are there in the campus of National Law Institute University Bhopal. Now if I talk about admission process, so admission at National Law Institute University Bhopal NLIU, it is completely through CLAT process. You need to give CLAT exam, that is Common Law Admission Test. For getting admission into National Law Institute University Bhopal, you need to score 118 plus marks you need to score, and your All India ranking should be around 355 to 395, and this will be a opening rank and this is a closing rank. Yes guys, competition is very high for getting admission in National Law Institute University Bhopal. Let us talk about intake. They have courses BA LLB honors, they have total 122 seats, and this particular course having 5 years duration. For that you need to give CLAT entrance examination. For preparation of CLAT entrance examination you can join our online program, and also they have LLM course, Master of Cyber Law and Information Security. Total they have 60 seats and 65 seats. LLM course they have total course duration is 1 year, and Master of Cyber Law and Information Security they have total 2 years of duration. So all for that you need to give CLAT exam. For this is the undergraduate course and this is the postgraduate course, that is called as PG. Okay, now guys, placements. ये देखो कितने सारे कंपनीज है जो नेशनल लॉ इंस्टीट्यूट यूनिवर्सिटी भोपाल से स्टूडेंट्स को रिक्रूट करते हैं. एक चीज़ मैं आपको बता दूं कि हर एक कंपनी जो भी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज होती है दे नीड अ लीगल कंसल्टेंट. सो यू कैन सी भेल है, लिंक लेटर्स है, इजेडबी पार्टनर्स है, जूरिस क्रॉप है, जेएसडब्ल्यू स्टील्स है, भारत पेट्रोलियम है, मॉर्गन स्टैनली, लॉरेंसन टर्बो, एयरटेल, ओएनजीसी, आईसीआईसी लोम्बार्ड, सेबी, आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप, इंडियन ऑयल, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर, अमरचंद मंगलदास, खैतान को, ट्राई लीगल, रिलायंस, डिलॉयट, इंडियन ऑयल, एलन एंड ओवरी. These all companies are giving placement to National Law Institute University Bhopal, and with a very lucrative salary package also. These are the companies, and many more companies are there, and these placements are totally dependent upon how you perform in your academics, from where you are doing internship, what are the credits you have earned in your academics. These all things it has been taken into the consideration. And if I talk about salary package, so salary package you will get around highest salary package it has been offered to National Law Institute University Bhopal student, it was 18 lakh rupees. So it is best return on investment once you prepare for CLAT entrance examination, and after that if you cleared and if you got a admission in National Law Institute University Bhopal, then this much amount of salary package you can get. It is totally up to you. And lowest salary if I talk about, so it is 10 lakh also, which is a very good salary package. This salary package, it is per year you will get Now guys, if you want to prepare for CLAT entrance examination, you can join our online and live classes. You can call on our board line number 8828581455. We have classroom coaching at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manur.edu.com for law entrance. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exams updates and notification. Guys, link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box, so do check the description box. Guys, we have launched a new YouTube channel which is very specific for law entrance. इसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर लो, इसका भी लिंक जो है हमने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. सो अगर आपको और भी कोई NLUs के बारे में जानकारी चाहिए तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें. वी विल मेक video on that. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.